Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's my view from my new abode, my new flat. I've just got a Pixel 2 which I'm filming. I'm not very good at the focusing and things like that yet. The ice cream van has been passed about 5 times, not today, 5 times just in general when I've been working from home. I've missed it every time because I take about 3 or 4 minutes to have an argument with myself that I shouldn't have an ice cream before holiday. By the time I come to the verdict that I just want ice cream, the ice cream van's already gone. I had a really long break and my excuse is I had a rubbish phone and it just wouldn't film anymore. I had an Nexus 5X. It was really good, but it was only like 270 quid and it just couldn't hack the amount of use I had of it. I used it at work a lot and stuff. But I've got a Pixel 2 now. Boom! And I've just got a new camera, which is what this vlog is about. I got loads of Amazon vouchers for Christmas. So I had about 100 quid's worth. I didn't want to spend a huge amount on a camera. I know you can get them for like 500-600 quid. I didn't even want to get a GoPro because that was still out my price range. I did really want one, but I just thought I can't justify spending that. Anyway, my sister sent me a message with an Amazon Lightning deal. I hadn't even heard of them before, but I feel like it's something that everybody knows about. But it was an Amazon Lightning deal. I went onto it and it was basically a GoPro, but not a GoPro. So obviously it was another company. Then I went on to it, said this deal is over, but it was still only $39.99. So I was like, what? This can't be right. It must be a scam. Looked at the review, said it was good. 4K filming, everything you would expect from a decent camera for like underwater and things like that. And I'm off on holiday next week, so I thought, oh, I'm going to get it. I'm still slightly sceptical because of the price, but I'm going to do an unboxing video now, and then I'm off on holiday next week with my family. So I'll do a follow-up video after that to let you know how it went. So should we just get on with it?